Halika na. I'll join Daddy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Rocco Nasino Official. This channel will be bringing you new videos because it's the new year, 2025 na. And to cap things off, we will be sharing with everybody lots of videos. Lalo na, kakagaling lang namin ng Guam, right? Woo! We went to Guam with this 2-year-old and masasabi ko lang, it was an adventure. Tumatakbo na siya and we have a lot of stories to tell you guys. But we want to share our trip to Guam, where we went to, how beautiful it is, how easy it is to get there, para siyang mini Hawaii. So we're very excited to share with you all kung ano nagawa namin. And we're very, very thankful to Guam Visitors Bureau for inviting us to Guam and showcasing what Guam has to offer. And lalong-lalo na sa mga shoppers natin sa Pilipinas. You guys want to get the best discounts, Black Friday sale na abutan namin. So we want to show you guys kung ano itsura kapag Black Friday sale doon. It was fun. We got to go to the beach. We did island hopping. We had a lot of good food. Did some shopping, of course. But the experiences we had as a family, dahil nga kasama si Lolo and Lola, and kasama si Easy, super bonding kami. At the same time, maraming attractions ang Guam ngayon. We went to Crown Plaza, newly renovated. And we have a lot of videos to showcase to you guys. So, and si Easy nag-i-invite na. Again, happy 2025 to everybody. We're very, very excited to show all our family vlogs. Kaya abangan nyo yan, ha. First up will be our day 1 and yung pagdating namin sa Guam. So abangan nyo yan. See you guys. You're here at Rocco Nasino Official. Enjoy the videos, guys. Say, watch our videos. Watch. When you ran around.